Alright, what are we doing here today? Killing yourself? No, we're gonna live. What are we doing? What are you wearing here, Amy? Harness? For what?
To jump with.
So you don't have a parachute?
Nope.
Nope. Well, what's the occasion you're doing this today? Just feeling a little crazy?
No, a long, thought out, calculated risk that I want to take.
Yeah. How calculated? How long have you thought about this?
Ever since I've heard about it. And risk the roller coaster.
So it's just the next best. So here in a little bit, we are going to jump out of that little yellow airplane and have some fun. Sound good?
Yeah.
Any last words?
Oh God. I don't know.
Alright, well, let's say bye to the camera. Have fun with it. You gonna run? See the orange flag right there? Right next to that.
Okay, you got this. You can do this. You know, you can do it.
Even gave up believing and praying. I even done illegal stuff and was leaded astray. They say that money is the root to the evilest ways, but have you ever been so hungry it keeps you awake? Mate, now my hunger will leave them amazed. Great, it feels like a long time coming. Fam, since the day I thought of that coming.
So raise your glass if you are wrong in all the right ways. All my underdogs, we will never be anything but loud and nitty gritty, dirty little freaks. Won't you come on and raise your glass? Just come on and raise your glass. Slam, slam, oh hot damn, what part of party don't you understand? Wish you just freak out already. Can't stop coming in hot. I should be locked up right on the
Roller coaster?
Oh my God, no.
anything but loud and nitty gritty, dirty little freaks. Won't you come on and raise your glass? Just come on and raise your glass. Won't you come on and raise your glass? Just come on and raise your glass.
Oh shit, my glass is empty. That sucks.
So if you're too school for cool, and you're treated like a fool, you can choose to let it go. We can always party on our own. So raise your
Welcome back to it.
Oh my god.
Are we going for round two?
Let's go.